Welcome back. Electricity Department has initiated surprise inspections in its offices across the state to check the attendance of employees. Almost 40 employees were found to be late latifs in a drive being conducted for past few days. Chief Electrical Engineer has issued show cause notices to the staff. Action will be initiated against lethargic staff.
The Electricity Department has deployed 2 engineers to conduct a surprise inspection of attendance of other officers, means division officer, Panji, Madga or other part of us. During that we have observed that so many staffs are coming late, and for latecomers we have issued show cause notice, more than 40 staffs. Today I have decided I have to just have a surprise check of my office. Around 3 p.m. today I noticed that one Mr. Bharat Nigale, executive engineer, and one junior engineer, Srimati Nudan Bene, both are not available in the office, and they have not informed to any office. Sometimes our power secretary used to call Mr. Nigale, so I have inquired at power secretary's office. There also he is not available. So this type of attitude means because of the staff behaving this way, we cannot deliver prompt service to the public as and when they require. So I have decided to send them show cause notices to improve the quality of the service. Next step, if they exceed the limit, we may take stringent actions against those officials.
Let's live in faith with unity and peace. This was the message preached at the feast of Our Lady of Rosary in Naveli. Faithful flocked to church and paid honor to Our Lady of Rosary. Have a look.
आयच्या दिसा परबीचे सुम्यार भरपूर आमचे दुसऱ्याक दिवं येता जायते तरेन ते आमच्या दिवं येता खंय एक वोट ना थंय एक वोट हाडूं येता जंय ठाव दिवं जाला थंय आमी समाधान हाडूं येता जंय गोबायला मदीं कितें वायट जालां थंय वचून आमी ताका एकठांय करूं येता कोण वायट जिवीत येता थंय वचून ताका सांगून बऱ्या मार्गार हाडूं जाता ही मुल्यां जी भावार्थांत आमकां इगोजेक मेळ्ळ्या मामलेंत आमी जेल्या तीच मुल्यां घेवन आमी वेता कित्याक आमी भितरल्यान खात्रेची मनशां कन्विक्शन आहा खात्री आहा की हें सारकें सॉफ्ट आनी हेंच आमी दुसऱ्याक दिवंक जाय सायबी माय आमकां वोट ते आज ही बरोवप करता आसतना हांगासर बरोवप केल्यारूच बरो ना हांगा कितें भावार्थाचें निर्णय मेळ्ळा तें घराक घेवया आमच्या भुरग्यांक घेवया आमच्या शेजाऱ्याक घेवया आनी तांकां ग्रेस करुया आनी समाज अदीक बरो करुया.
Association of India has accused the domestic airlines for overcharging of luggage. They said seafarers are entitled to carry 40 kg of baggage, but domestic airlines allow only 20 kg and charge for extra 20 kilos of luggage. Seafarers also demanded that recruitment agencies should be registered with the Government of India. They have asked the Civil Aviation Minister to take up the issue at the centre and resolve it.
In India, once we arrive from international flight, when we come from Delhi to Goa or from Bombay to Goa, the airline is not allowing us. They go by domestic rules, which is only 20 kilos. And now they are charging every seaman for the luggage of 20 kilos, which is excess. So we bring 40 kilos. So now, when we come to India, we have to pay for the 20 kilos extra, which is not right. So yesterday we have given a letter to our South Goa Member of Parliament, Mr. Savekar. We given him a letter to address this issue in the Parliament, which is with the Civil Aviation Minister, and we have given the copy of the law which allowed the seamen, says clearly that once you are a seafarer, you are allowed to carry 40 kilos, which the Indian airlines, domestic airlines are not allowing us. So there is a scam there, looking for a job. There are many agents which they charge lakhs of rupees And end of the day, they just give the job and their job is done. The guys are not recruited properly. They are not getting a second chance to go again. So every time they go, they have to pay. So we are not against the payment, but we want the government to please hold the agent accountable, responsible, because once they provide the job, they are responsible. They are linked between the company and the employee.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.